Where where to start? I came from somewhere that I didn't have much of a team atmosphere, so being like in the grind day to day and then like popping up and celebrating people's wins and just like having so much collaboration is so much fun. I feel like I'm trying to work hard, but everyone around me is trying to work hard, and it's a fun environment. I love the strategy that comes with my job. I love that every day I come in and I have so many things I have to do, and I have the freedom to do them on my own time, on my own schedule. But just like how much strategy I have with my partnerships with all the people that I work with, really like is gratifying to me, because I enjoy that, like trying to figure things out and put things together and solve a problem. So that's probably what I love most about my job. We have so much services to offer and benefits to people out there, and that they don't really know the benefits that we have to offer them. So that's just what my job is trying to contact these people, find out who we could best benefit, and have a conversation with them about it. Having the opportunity to be a part of a company that the growth is going to be exponential is really exciting. I feel like I look around and I see my coworkers, and I'm like, this team in 5 years, we're going to be all over the place in different parts of the company and different parts of the country, doing all different roles, and seeing my coworkers rock at what they do now is just exciting to see what they'll be in 5 years, just like our company.